Hello folks, Akhil from WM Originals. Today I am teaming up with TenorShare to present you Pass5 4WinK. 4WinK mainly focuses on Windows password recovery, with which one can remove or reset local and admin password. One can also delete or create Windows account in minutes. While losing Windows password of your computer can cause a lot of troubles, in this situation, except for factory resetting the Windows system, you can also retrieve the password with this Windows Password Key software 4WinK and then revisit your PC. If you use 4WinK, there will be no need to reinstall your operating system, no loss or damage to your data. 4WinK comes with powerful compatibility with which you can bypass Windows password on laptops, 2-in-1 laptop, LTE enabled laptops, gaming PCs, desktop and all-in-one computers without obstacles. So if you have forgot your Windows account password or want to reset it, watch this video full and I will provide you full guide on how to bypass Windows admin password or login without password. I will also give away one license of Pass5 4WinK standard version. So watch this video full to know more about details of giveaway and 4WinK. If you are new to WM Originals and have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now for more videos and future giveaways. 4WinK from Pass5 can help in many situations such as if you want to remove or reset password. Also, it can help in deleting or creating Windows account. You can use 4WinK to create a bootable CD-ROM or DVD-ROM disk on Windows or Mac OS, make a bootable USB flash drive or pen drive disk on Windows or Mac OS, burn a bootable password reset disk with default ISO image. The best thing is that the latest version of 4WinK will support Mac computers installed with Windows system and will also support Windows computers which are equipped with UEFI or legacy BIOS. No matter how you log into your personal computer, 4WinK is best Windows password unlocker with which one will be able to unlock all sign-in options in Windows 10. So let's start this video and know how to gain access to your locked computer or how you can reset password using 4WinK. Here I have installed 4WinK and will open it from apps menu. Click on start and then go to Pass5 4WinK. Click on open it. Clean and simple UI. Here I am using Pass5 4WinK Ultimate Edition. One can use CD, DVD or USB flash drive for burning a Windows boot disk. I have inserted a USB flash drive and here it mentions it. Select USB flash drive and click on next. Thereafter a dialog box comes up which mentions it will delete all data in pen drive. Click on next and disk will start burning process. Now it's burned successfully. One can access their locked computer in just 3 steps. Step 1. Insert USB flash drive to locked computer and restart it. Then press boot key to enter boot menu. Step 2. Select the bootable flash drive just created and press enter. Step 3. Choose the target operating system and locked account to unlock. Now I will show you all this complete process. Now I am on my laptop and you can see that it's protected with password and I need to enter it before gaining access to it. Now I will restart my device and plug in this pen drive which I just created using 4WinK. Once system restart, click F12 for boot menu. It will be different for every laptop manufacturer. The hotkeys with list is shared in description of this video. And we will select USB drive to boot from. After this, flash drive will start process to get access to your system and then a dialog box comes up with installed Windows operating system. Select it and click on next. Thereafter it comes with list of accounts on my computer. We need to select the user for which we want to remove or reset password. And then select reset password from below options. Thereafter click on next. After that enter the password you want to reset to. I will enter it and then click on reset. It will start the process of resetting password to what I entered just now. After it's done, click on reboot. System restarts and now using the password I just created, I will log into my system. See how easy it is to reset password for your Windows device using 4WinK. I will highly recommend you to go ahead and try out Pass5 4WinK, which is one of the best software to get access to your locked computer, which can be Windows or Mac device. There are 4 editions of 4WinK: Standard, Professional, Enterprise and Ultimate. All comes with great features and here are the pricing for the same. Click on buy now and know all the details of pricing and features of each edition of 4WinK. It is also available for Mac. Just click on Mac and details about Mac editions of 4WinK comes up. Just compare and read the features of each edition and get the one as per your requirement. Link for the same are shared in description and pinned comment of this video. Pass 5 is also running a Thanksgiving and Black Friday grand sale with which one can share and get Pass 5 for ISO free license code. Just share the page to social media. Link for the same are shared in description and pinned comment of this video. You will get the powerful Pass 5 for ISO software for free. The best thing is that it comes with no auto renewal. With this Thanksgiving and Black Friday grand sales, one can also buy one Pass 5 product and get one for free. For more details, check pinned comment. This is what I had in this video. Thanks for watching. Once again, thanks to TenorShare for sponsoring today's video. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. We'll come up with more videos and giveaways soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.